Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get Bing AI. It's pretty simple and I don't really like introductions, so let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do pretty much just to install Microsoft Edge. Obviously you can use, I prefer and I suggest you to install using Microsoft Store. So you can head down to Microsoft Store, but don't try and then it won't work. You won't have in your Microsoft Edge, you won't have the Bing AI. All right. So as you can see here, I'm gonna show you how you can get it, because for some countries, like, the solution is to change your country. Because like if you're from some countries don't work. The Bing AI doesn't work. All right. So install Microsoft Edge. Go and here to Bing, and then what you have to do is go and change your country. So how you can change your country, head over to the three dots, 3 lines icon, go to settings, and here go country and region and change your country. For me, Italy, it worked fine. Like I have the AI, the Bing AI, all right. But for some country it doesn't work, and even if you go to Bing, still doesn't show up the this one, So yeah, that's what you have to do to get Bing AI. Just change your country. Okay, from, I don't know, Netherlands to another country. Netherlands works, but like, I think, let's try this country. Let's say for this country, doesn't work. Bangladesh, this doesn't work. Okay, just choose your country. That's all you have to do. Okay, Italy works, as I said. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate it, and it will really help a lot this small YouTube channel. Thank you and take care.